here is the finished mock. Yeah, so you just watched the speed build. This is my kind of little endor mock. I know I said my next video would be what you saw, but it turns out it's not gonna be, just because that is being changed now. It's a project I'm working on with my dad, so which is cool. And we're building kind of it's a bit like you could just say it's a bit like it'll come to me, Z95 Headhunter. Yes. But yeah, so what this is just, oh, this fly is bugging the heck out of me. Bloody fly must die. So I've put some trees here. I've got 3 brick built trees, these 3, this one, and this one. And I've got 3 of these normal, well, not normal, but old kind of one-piece trees. Then I've got a little kind of river thingy here, and it's got a bit of reeds at one side, and it's a bit of a hill going up this way. So yeah, this is just only a really quick mock. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to more. Make sure to subscribe for more. And this is CJ signing off. See you guys soon. Goodbye, everyone. Hey. You know who I am? I'm Cuffs of the MCPD, Mixel City Police Department, and I'm gonna get you if you've been naughty.